With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. This is the question of the day, and the question says that the magnifying power of a converging lens used as a simple microscope is 1+D upon f. A compound microscope is a combination of two such converging lenses. Why don't we have magnifying power as 1+D upon FO into 1+D upon FE? In other words, why can the objective not be treated as a simple microscope but the eyepiece can? Now, in order to answer this particular question, first of all, let us understand what is the major difference between simple microscope and compound microscope. In a simple microscope, we are using one converging lens, okay? But in case of a compound microscope, we are using two lenses of different focal length. One acts as an eyepiece and one acts as an objective. So, in case of simple microscope, okay, the converging lens is used to magnify the object. But in case of compound microscope, we use eyepiece for the same purpose, or we can say eyepiece is used for magnifying the image. Okay. Also, the objective lens is used to form an enlarged real and inverted image of the object, but at a distance less than that of the focal length of the eyepiece. That is why the magnifying power or the magnification cannot be expressed as we are expressing it for the simple microscope, right? And that is the reason that the objective is not used as a simple microscope, but the eyepiece is used, or it is considered. That's all. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.